Okay, let's be real for a second. Isn't it kind of crazy how you keep seeing people online making thousands of dollars from their laptop? And the first thought is always, is this even real or just another scam? Well, here's the shocking truth. According to recent studies, over 4.5 million Americans earn a part of their income online every single year. And no, they're not all tech geniuses or influencers. They're students, 9-to-5 workers, even stay-at-home parents who figured out how to use the internet differently. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 real ways you can make money online in 2025. No boring theories, no fake promises, just practical methods that people are already using. And trust me, stick till the end because the last method I'll share, nobody really talks about it, but it's probably the most powerful. Let's start with freelancing. This is the fastest way to start earning online. You don't need to be a coding wizard or a pro designer. Right now, some of the most in-demand gigs are super simple. Things like writing blog posts, editing short videos, handling social media, or even doing data entry. Here's how it works. Sign up on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Make a basic profile and apply for small gigs. For example, on Fiverr, beginners doing simple logo designs charge $50 a project. Do just 5 logos a week. That's around $1,000 a month. And here's the crazy part. According to Statista, the U.S. freelance economy generated over $1.3 trillion in 2023, and it's still growing. That means there's plenty of room for you too. Now let's move to something more passive. Print on demand and digital products. This is basically creating something once and selling it over and over. Here's how it works. You design a t-shirt or a coffee mug on Canva, upload it on platforms like Redbubble or Etsy, and whenever someone buys it, the company prints and ships it for you. You don't touch a single product, and it doesn't stop at t-shirts. You can sell digital products like planners, resume templates, or even ebooks. For example, a simple budgeting planner on Etsy can sell for $10 each. Sell 200 copies in a month. That's $2,000, all from a file you made once. Okay, third one, content creation. This is the long game, but it's also the most rewarding. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or even blogging let you build an audience. And that audience turns into money through ads, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. Now I know what you're thinking, but it takes forever to grow. True. But here's the thing. Micro-influencers with just 10,000 followers on TikTok are making $200, $500 for a single brand collab. And a YouTube channel with just 10,000 subscribers in the finance niche can easily make $1,000, $2,000 a month from AdSense. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment. Your phone camera and free editing apps are enough to get started. What matters most is consistency and giving value in your content. Next, let's talk about side hustle apps. These are perfect if you want quick cash without waiting. In the US, apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and TaskRabbit are huge. With DoorDash, you can earn around $15.25 per hour delivering food. On TaskRabbit, moving furniture or assembling IKEA chairs can pay $40 an hour. That means just 4 hours of work could put $160 in your pocket. So if you've got a car, a bike, or just free time, these apps are an easy way to add extra income every week. And finally, let's talk about the big leagues. High-skill online work. This is where you invest time in learning a skill and get paid way more later. I'm talking about things like coding, AI automation, digital marketing, or even consulting. For example, businesses in the US are paying $50, $100 an hour to freelancers who can set up chatbots, automate emails, or run ads for them. That's serious money. So if you want to future-proof your career and earn higher paychecks online, this is the way to go. It takes learning, but the payoff is huge. So, there you have it. 5 legit ways to make money online in 2025. Freelancing for quick gigs, print on demand for passive income, content creation for long-term growth, side hustle apps for instant cash, and high-skill jobs for the big payouts. The best part? You don't need to pick all of them. Just start with one, stick to it, and let it grow. 6 months from now, you'll be glad you did. If this video gave you ideas, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep exploring more ways to build income online together.